Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas School, Class 4, Environment Studies. Our lesson's name is about Let Us Eat Together, Chapter 19. Last we had discussed about the midday meal. Midday meal in Gujarat. This scheme is initiated by Government of India and Government of Gujarat. Every student should not go to the school or should not remain without eating during the school hours. That is why midday meal Madhyahan Bhojan Yojana was initiated and introduced by government. Last we had discussed that variety of foods will be given to them. The teachers take care that all children will get fresh and hot meal. Parents also special offer giving to the students during some particular occasion. Dear students, this is specially introduced in government primary school and remote area and village school. It is more benefited if children is not getting any eating. They do not have to carry breakfast. Everything will be provided by government authorities. Nowadays things are better. We eat fresh, hot and properly cooked food together. We take care that all the students finish the food and they do not waste it. Eating together is always fun. So dear students, here also we are making a one big circle during the recess and teacher is arranging our students into the ground and all are eating together. It is a one good fun. Eating together is fun. Sometimes someone comes without eating from home. He or she can eat here. Do you like to study with an empty stomach? Never. It is not possible. Empty stomach, nobody will remain in the school. That is why this thing is introduced. So please note down about the scheme of government and find out and write in your notebook what time the meal is served in the school. Almost it is at 10:30 or 11:30. What do you get in the school that is given? Chapati, dhokla, dal dhokla, rice, dal, mug, bhat, shiro, khichdi, etc. is given. Enough food is given. Plate will be provided by food. Plate will be provided by fully from the school. The food serving work will be done by the teachers and helpers. Teachers not eating with you, but teachers are arranging the system. The week's menu put up on the school board, and Wednesday and Friday special decided dishes we are getting. If you will get a chance to change the menu in your school, what would you like to change? That is depending on you, how you are keeping. What are your choices and basic interested things? Very interesting things when we are talking about the eating of a food. Do you fond of eating foods now? That should be there. Then here one timetable is also given. Timetable wise we can keep it. Monday you can keep one dish. Wednesday you can keep another dish. If you are keeping Monday dal dhokli, then Wednesday you can keep another things. Friday you can have a different thing. Likewise you can arrange it. We shall talk now. Midday meal is every children's right. Many children is not able to get food. That is why Supreme Court of India has ordered that all children up to elementary school, means up to the primary school, should provided hot cooked food. This is the right of every children and we should be continue with this right. And many of them can arrange or attend the school with filled stomach. They should not go with empty stomach. That is why this scheme is introduced. I hope you understand this everything, all the points properly. Thank you, children. Study well, read well, and write well.